In English, would you say, I enjoy to swim, or I enjoy swimming? Small choice, big difference. Today we unlock when to use the gerund. That's the ing form, doing, eating, playing. And when to use the infinitive form, that's to play, to eat, and to study. English learners get stuck with this because some verbs take a gerund and others take an infinitive. Now, if you choose the wrong one, it just sounds unnatural. Here are 3 key rules you can trust. Number 1, after prepositions, use the gerund. For example, they accused his son of breaking the fence. Breaking, not to break. 2, some verbs demand the infinitive. For example, I didn't expect her to win the award. That's to win, not winning. And 3, certain verbs change their meaning depending on whether you use the gerund or the infinitive. Let me give you an example. I forgot to stop at the store. That means you didn't do it. Versus, I remember going to my first concert. That's a memory from the past. Now let me give you a couple of examples. Listen carefully. These are all correct English. I suggest going for a walk this afternoon. The doctor advised him not to go swimming because of his cold. This car needs washing. Let's recap. Here's the cheat code. When using a preposition, use the gerund. Verb patterns sometimes take the gerund and sometimes take the infinitive. Watch out, some verbs change their meaning depending on which form you use. Do you want to master tricky grammar fast? Just DM me for my free ebook, Fundamentals and Fluency Fast.